I'm in Milwaukee, in the Deer District. A vibrant, fun location surrounded by dining and nightlife, looking at the Fiserv Arena. And I'm headed across the street for a walk through one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished corporate apartments at the 550 Ultra Lofts. I'm on the balcony of apartment 310, a one-bedroom, looking across the street at the Medical College of Wisconsin's Sports Science Center. Just stepped inside to an open-plan living dining kitchen, looking at high ceilings, exposed ductwork, wide plank flooring, breakfast bar peninsula. Turning back toward the living area, we have a large screen TV and a home office desk. White marble veined quartz counters, an undermount sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, 4-burner electric range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. And since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, you're set up with all the countertop appliances, cookware, dinnerware, glassware, cutlery, everything you'll need to feel right at home when you stay a while. Heading back, looking at the entryway, there's a sliding panel door that opens into the bedroom. The closet is set up with additional linens, and the bedroom has a transom window to borrow light. Continuing again toward the entry, you have your bath, a floating vanity with a drawer for storage, quartzite countertop, right inside the front door is your stacked in-unit washer-dryer. Sweet Home has a variety of offerings at 550 Ultra Lofts. They're all high style and have all the comforts you're looking for. And since it's Sweet Home, you can expect hotel-like services and a welcoming environment.